Why do conversations suddenly become painfully awkward? You were talking just fine a second ago. Everything felt normal, and then your brain just stops. You try to think of something to say, anything at all, but your mind goes completely blank. So you panic, just a little, and you say the first thing that comes to mind. Nice weather? And the moment you say it, you can feel it. That didn't help. Now it's quiet again, but somehow even more uncomfortable than before. So what's actually happening here? Because it's not that you don't know how to talk. It's that in that moment, your brain is trying way too hard. It starts running through everything at once. Don't say something weird. Try to sound interesting. Don't mess this up. And the more you think, the worse it gets, until suddenly, everything just shuts down. So if overthinking is the problem, what's the fix? Most people believe conversations are about saying the right thing, but that's not actually true. Good conversations aren't about being impressive. They're about being present. So instead of trying to come up with the perfect sentence, try something much simpler. Get curious. Ask small, easy questions like, "How was your day?" Or, "What have you been up to lately?" And when they answer, don't just wait for your turn to talk. Actually listen. Because here's something most people don't realize. People aren't judging every word you say. They're paying attention to how they feel around you. And when you're relaxed, they feel relaxed too. When you're curious, they feel interesting. And when you stop trying so hard, everything starts to flow naturally. So maybe the problem wasn't never that you didn't know what to say. Maybe you were just thinking too much.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple ideas like this.